Hello everyone! Start off by taking a scarf and then make a circular shape out of the center, make 2 knots as such, and then pull both of the sides through. Once you tighten it slightly, this is what it should look like. Take a scarf, pull it through either end, wrap it around your fingers on one of the sides to make a knot-like shape, and then pull the end through it. Now, do not pull it entirely through, leave it in this knotted U shape and bring the other side through. Next, take a scarf, wrap it around the neck as such in a double layer, make a hole in the center and then bring the other 2 sides through it. Take a scarf, wrap it around the neck, make a U shape on one of the sides and then pull the other side through as such after bringing it through onto the other side. Now make this knotted-like shape. Take a scarf and then wrap it around the finger and then pull the same section through it. Do not entirely pull it through, however, and then pull the other section through this instead. Wrap a scarf around the neck and then fold it over and then fold the other scarf side over this. Now pull one of the sides through it and then fasten it out. Make a knot out of the scarf and then wrap it around the neck as such. Bring it on through the other side and in the little gap that is present, pull other sides through it. Take a scarf, wrap it around the neck, twist it one on top of the other repeatedly as such, and now bring it through the top. Now leave a little gap before you fully bring it through, and now push it through. Next, take a scarf and then wrap it around the neck. Make a small knotted shape, however, don't completely pull it through. In the gap that is present, pull either of the ends through it. Now take this wrap and then bring it through the other side. Once again, bring it through the top and then it should begin to look like a little top. Adjust it and then add a pin to the top. Thank you for watching.